Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 3rd of December, 2018. 35 is the high temperature today. That happened this morning. Going to get colder as the day goes on. Low temperature tonight of 29 degrees. There is a 50% chance of snow. Looking outside my window, it does look like it is currently snowing a little bit. PBIS expectation for the week is a classroom. We need to be safe, meaning we stay in our personal space, hands and feet to ourselves. Use materials and equipment as asked by our teacher. In order to be responsible, we're completing our work on time, taking home and returning all homework and parent notes daily in our backpack, asking for permission to leave the classroom, and voice level determined by a teacher. In order to be respectful, we're following classroom procedures and directions, using our hands to ask for permission, so raise your hand, and then use kind words and actions. Staff announcements, we will have another board visit on Thursday morning. Superintendent Kane's coming with Board President Mrs. Murphy, Board Member Mrs. Brooks, Board Member Mr. McCullough, and of course Superintendent Kane. Lunch today, we're looking at cheesy breadsticks and of course some of them crunchy baby carrots. And then tomorrow's lunch, we're looking at the new mac and cheese, green beans, strawberry applesauce, crunchy baby carrots, choice milk. Some of our special announcements. Reminder that this Friday is a half day for students. Miss Brockett's groups will not meet today. This afternoon we will have Voyagers of the Month called down to the main office. And then our All Green celebration will also take place this afternoon. We'll give you some more dates and times with that. Speaking of our Voyagers of the Month, Miss Geeky nominated Alexis Scott. Miss Hazley nominated Josiah Duckworth. Miss Hall nominated Isaiah Pulliam. And Miss Stevens nominated Elijah Holmes. Miss Leslie nominated Giselle Jackson. Miss Thill nominated Damian Demink. Miss Steyer nominated Tavion Pearson. Miss Klimikowski nominated Lillian Miranda. Mr. Fiedler nominated Shania Collier. Miss Harnden nominated James Jones. Miss Ford nominated Ivan Shreve. And Miss Krieger nominated Mikhail William. Thank you to each one of those students for doing a fantastic job doing things the Voyager way. Great job. We will call you down again at the end of the day as well to get our team picture. Our Voyager of the Month, our All Green celebrations will take place this afternoon in the cafeteria. 3rd grade will be from 2 to 2:25, 4th grade from 2:25 to 2:45, 5th grade from 2:50 to 3:10. We will make announcements when we are ready for those students to come down. Our pledge, we're just using that moon flag again. It was Buzz Aldrin. Who was the other guy besides Neil Armstrong. We needed to make sure we had his name right. So here we go with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!